Hi traders, this is Forex Nelson, back doing another live trade. This one is for the pound CAD. There was some CAD news. I see it doing a pullback, but I just noticed it now. But on the pound CAD, right here at 8:30 on August the 22nd, core retail sales turned out to be very neutral. This one right here, it's medium impact retail sales. It's a little bit negative. So going back to the charts, so if it's negative, that means we'll be buying the pound CAD. This is just doing a pullback. Should hook around, continue to go up, hopefully break the top. The ADR on the pound CAD is 117. Today only did 92, so we still have some room to go. It's 43 pips, and this is my default 20 pip stop here and 40 pip target. Just as I thought, should be going back up and testing near the highs. I'm using the Bollinger Band, the one Bollinger Band. I do have two of them, but since I'm doing training videos, I decided I'm still using the single Bollinger Band. Bollinger Bands are a little bit easier to trade than moving averages, because you have to wait for the 3 or 4 moving averages to all line up. I know how to do it, but Bollinger Bands, there's no waiting. You can trade. It's more easy to trade using Bollinger Bands, either 1 or 2. They're both very good. Now this is just a waiting game. I'm hoping it's going to break the top, but if not, if it's starting to show signs of reversal, then I'll just close the trade out with a positive total. Forex Nelson is back. Decided to close the trade as I'm happy with the totals, as you can see down at the bottom here. There it is, pound CAD. I really do enjoy using the Bollinger Bands because it gives me such clarity, and once I follow the rules within the for trading the pip trigger, and the same rules generally as a rule, the Bollinger Bands have slightly different rules. Each one of these has slightly different, but once you master one, the other ones just fall into place. Looks like I got the timing pretty accurate. Got in at this cursor here and I got out there. It's about 17 pips. And on the pound CAD down here at the bottom, almost 1300. And that's my running total for the past 2.5 weeks. Well, for all the month of August. I've actually done more than 50 trades. I believe I have about 10 losers so far. And you know, this is a running total at the moment. So I'm glad I got out. Now I can come down to the mean, hook around, and if I get a signal and if I want to take the trade, I'll be going with the direction of the 30 minutes and the 1 hour, and it's just going to do a cycle down and probably go back up again. So if I'm sitting in front of the computer and I see it, I might just take the trade again. Probably come down to about this general area and then go back up here again, which is more than 20 pips. So if you like the pip trigger and you would like to have results like this, certainly I teach it in my training videos. I have quite a few of them at the moment, as you can see in this Word document, and this is also directly right below this video. I basically charge for one pip trigger and I give you 9 versions of the pip trigger. I do believe it's the best deal on the internet if you're looking for systems. I give you a variety of ways to trade, through MT4 templates, and they all come with training videos, every one of these subjects in here. There's at the moment 230 training videos. I'm working on how to trade with one Bollinger Band, and I've already got, I do believe there's around 16 videos for 2 Bollinger Bands. It's a slightly different rules, but not that hard to master. Took me less than 2 weeks to master it. Anyhow, and now I'm doing a training for the 1 Bollinger Band. As you see, this is the one I'm using. You see right at the moment. So anyhow, if you want to know more about the pip trigger and you want to see more, just get in contact with me. Information's right here, and right below the video, the same thing. You can either email me, call me directly. I do answer the phone. Not too many traders will actually do that. They can't be bothered once they become successful. But I don't mind. I don't know how long I'm going to do it, as I'm getting 5-6 traders a day calling me. I'm pretty busy. So eventually I'll stop doing this. Anyhow, if you Skype me, which is what I prefer, we can use screen sharing and I can give you a bunch of tips and tricks. I do all this for free. There's no charge. And only if you're interested in the pip trigger, then we can talk about how you can get your hands on it. So anyhow, that just about wraps it up for this trade. I'm going to go look for another trade, see if I can make another buck or two. Trading is fun once you master it. So if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next video and trade, happy trading.